A local fire department is celebrating a significant upgrade for their station. The Endicott Fire Department finally replaced its old fire truck after 35 years of service. This fire engine is known as Squad 25 and was paid for mostly with federal grants. The new fire engine is much safer with many new upgrades that the old fire engine did not have. Before officially going into service this past Sunday, Captain Paul Higgins made the quick call to let his members put into action during driver training.
I had confidence in the members and we took this right to the fire. We were there very quickly because we were on the road and it performed quite admirably.
Higgins says that in their business, minutes are everything, and this truck exceeded his expectations. This fire engine follows all the NFPA guidelines, has a top-of-the-line motor, won't drive if everyone is not buckled in, and can carry 800 gallons of water to be used in the case of a fire hydrant malfunction. Mayor Jackson of Endicott says the village greatly appreciates the fire department's efforts.